evening. Mr. Ajit Yashwant Rao, Vice President, Bharatiya Navik Sena Union. To speak a few words about him, born in the year 1982, Mr. Ajit Yashwant Rao completed his degree in BSc. Since 2000, Mr. Ajit has been the Vice President of Bharatiya Navik Sena Union and the Bharatiya Samrat General Kamgar Union. He is also the advisor of Sankalp Kalamanch Ratnagiri, Nehru Yuva Nav Chaitanya Yuvak Mandal Ratnagiri, and he is the trustee of Navik's Welfare Trust. Through Navik's Welfare Trust, Nehru Yuva Nav Chaitanya Yuvak Mandal, Shiposhi, Lanja and Ratnagiri conducted free eye camps for the families of the seafarers, conducted various sports events like bodybuilding, volleyball and shooting ball tournaments, distribution of notebooks every year to the poor and needy students for last 9 years in rural area of Ratnagiri district. As a seafarer, Mr. Ajit has visited various countries in the world and represented the Union on behalf of Indian seafarers to Singapore Association of Seamen, Singapore. Well, before I request him to speak a few words, please accept Mr. Ajit a bouquet of flowers by Ekta Shipping. Can we have a bouquet of flowers, please?
Today, we induct that in our own selves. It is very important that to understand where do we stand. And it has to be brought to you. Where do you stand? The training institutes play their own role during your training. The companies play their own role by having advanced courses, by spending so much of money inducted in Mumbai. I think everybody is a part of it and everybody has to pay as a team. It is very important for a seafarer to understand its requirement. Everybody wants hike in wages, but we also have to understand with the rupee going down.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our next speaker, Mr. Roshan Lokegaonkar, National Coordinator for the Bharatiya Navik Sena Union. Please put your hands together for it.
Thank you very much. मैं पीछे खड़ा था और मैडम ने मुझे पूछा कि आपके बारे में थोड़ा ब्रीफिंग दो, जैसे कि सब महानुभाव कैप्टन साहब सर जो बैठे हैं उनके बारे में थोड़ा ब्रीफिंग उन्होंने कहा था। तो मैंने कहा मेरे बारे में मैं ब्रीफिंग दे नहीं सकता हूँ क्योंकि एक बस का टिकट भी उसके लिए इनफ है। 2 लाइनें बोलूँगा और मेरे बारे में थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन आपको देता हूँ। जब इस यूनियन की शुरुआत हो गई 2000 साल में, तभी से मैं इस यूनियन से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ